All right, John, here's the 347 small block core. Gift description is a combination. It's got a set of our As Cast head. It's got the Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got your front sump oil pan, custom grind hydraulic roller. Go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3500s, 413 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 431, good and flat there. Peak horsepower 428, rated 425, so everything's good. Full Dyno, full pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple of other things. You receive your engine, find this thing looks like credit card, USB card, full of technical information. Dyno video, engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. I highly recommend put it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. If you need anything from us, the engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, and here you'll have a QR code. That'll take you to more tech stuff. So really, we recommend watching all this stuff. It'll really help you installation. Have a great day.